Welcome to this demo of IDEA Architecture, our 3D BIM architectural software. In this video you can watch how you can add a custom window in IDEA 19. In Plan View you design the shape of the window that you want to create. You can do it using a simple polyline. You select the command Opening Shapes in order to add the polyline you created in the program library. Using the polyline you created, the slide and the drawing of the new opening shape are created automatically. In the Window Manager you create a new window. You select one of existing opening ways of the library. For opening shape, you select the opening shape that you created before. Following the prompts in the command line, you create automatically all the needed files for the new window. To put the new window, you should select it from the user library. You select the wall and then you give the first and the second point. You can use this new window in any new project. Thanks for listening. You can download the trial version on www.4msa.com.